Okay, sorry, but I already took out all the parts. But I'll show you guys how to put everything back. So the throttle body shows you it's stuck. I'll show you the code. So right now I'm cleaning this part. And hopefully that erased the check engine light. Okay, so now that I'm finished cleaning it, we'll put everything back. Alright, let's get started. That sensor back. Put that sensor back. Place this longs. Don't forget to tighten these bolts. Tighten this. Let's put it right here. And last but not least, this one. Alright. So everything's put back together now. All I have to do is run the car. Hopefully the check engine light doesn't come back on.